Yesterday, the Indian Army said that the latest round of talks between Indian and Chinese military commanders over the standoff in Ladakh broke down. They added that the Chinese side was not agreeable and could not provide any forward-looking proposals. In a statement, the Indian Army said the two sides have agreed to maintain communications and also to maintain stability on the ground. It is our expectation that the Chinese side will take into account the overall perspective of bilateral relations and will work towards early resolution of the remaining issues while fully abiding by bilateral agreements and protocols. India had pressed for an early disengagement of troops in the remaining friction points in eastern Ladakh at the 13th round of military talks with China that lasted for around 8.5 hours yesterday. According to PTI, the major focus of the Corps commander level talks was to complete the stalled disengagement at the hot springs area known as Patrolling Point 15. The talks, which started at 10:30 am and ended at 7 pm, took place over 2 months after the last round of negotiations that resulted in the disengagement of troops from Gogra. India has been insisting that the resolution of outstanding issues in all friction points, including in Depsang, is essential for an overall improvement in ties between the two countries. Tensions have been high between the nuclear-armed neighbors following a deadly border battle in June last year in the strategically important Galwan River Valley in India's Ladakh. Each side currently has around 50,000 to 60,000 troops along the LSC in the sensitive sector.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.